I thought it might be a good idea to do a little screencast on Google Calendar and how I use Google Calendar in our classes. So you can always get there by going to bit.ly/KNUCAL. It's got a really ugly link, so you want to just get there. And this is the Google Calendar. So you can go back and forth in time. Different classes are preceded by different things, right? Different prefixes. And you can change the view even. So if the month view, which is default, is not something that you like, you can go to the week view or the agenda view. You can print it out if you want, though that seems kind of silly. And yeah, that's pretty handy. Down at the bottom right, there's a little plus Google Calendar, and you can actually subscribe to my class calendar, and it can get put onto your own Google Calendar. And so the way you do that, you just click that button, and you need to have a Google account, which is of course free, and everyone has one who's a Deer Park student. And then all you do is just set it up and just click yes, add this calendar, and magically all of my class events get put onto your calendar, which is really, really helpful. If enough people do it, let me know, and I'll break it out into individual calendars so that you're only seeing the course that you're in. Right now, I don't think anybody's particularly using this feature, but it seems like a really useful feature to me. So yeah, the nice thing about having your own Google Calendar is then you can add your own events to it, and it's a great organizational tool. It's kind of like a super agenda book that you can use from any internet connected device, and any device that has its own calendar app, like an iPhone or an Android phone. You can just marry it to your Google Calendar and put in stuff. Google Calendar has this great little quick add feature, which I just used to schedule a dinner with mom, as you saw, but I'll show you kind of how that works. So if you click this drop down, you just type in the event, like test on Thursday, spell it correctly, and just give it a time. So let's say 12 p.m. and magically there it is. It shows right up there. That's pretty helpful. You can add and delete things as necessary, and you can subscribe to as many calendars as you want. So if your other teachers are using Google Calendar as well, you can just drop them all in there and you can see what's due when, and you don't even need to write it in your agenda book, which is a great, great feature. So that's Google Calendar.